Welcome back, guys. I'm going to show you guys how to do bone frame animations in GameMaker 8 using DrawSprite EXT if you have GameMaker 8.0 Pro. Here is backing up, DrawSprite EXT. So you're going to draw the sprite, the sub image, the X and Y position, the X and Y scaling that can be used to flip the sprite, which is usually what I use it for, the rotation, which is where you see limb angle, and the color. See white draws the default color, and the 1, which is the opacity. And as you can see, this is the left leg. So what I'm pointing at right now is obviously the X position. The X minus 1 draws it at the object's position, and -1 pixels to the left. This is the left leg, so that would make sense. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I didn't do any image scaling for the leg because it's just a straight pixel or a straight leg that's 1 pixel wide. Here is the Y position. The leg's crosshair is at the top of the sprite. So as a result, I have to draw it. Well, okay, the collider is centered at the bottom. So I have to draw the leg -3 pixels up, if that makes any sense. Because when I draw my sprites, I use colliders and then draw the sprite masks over the colliders. That way I can draw complex animated sprites and not have to worry about getting stuck in my solids or whatever you're using for your game. That's pretty much the X and Y position. It's pretty simple. Here, it's attached to the Y-axis. Hop Y is a local variable that makes the player hop up and down in the running animation that you saw. If you want to rewind and go look at that, you could see what I'm talking about. This is animated in a step event. These local variables you see here in the draw line run in a step event. You could actually run them in a step, end step, or begin step. It honestly doesn't really matter. But if you guys want to see that animation code, I can show you in another video, but it's a little bit complicated. I'm just showing you guys how to use DrawSprite EXT to basically mimic bone frame animations in GameMaker 8 for 2D games. 3D games pretty much work the same way, but I like to ramble. I'm going to stay on topic. Here is the rotation. You can see the leg rotating to the left and right. The animation code for this is a little bit complicated to get the smooth gliding animation. But I could show you guys that, but it's be kind of pointless. It's a little bit complicated, and I doubt you guys are going to use it. But limb angle 0, it's an array that controls limb angle 1 controls the smoothness, and limb angle 0 controls which way the leg rotates. Or sways back and forth to get the running look. Yeah, GameMaker Studio, no, I take that back. GameMaker Studio 2 has bone frame software that takes care of all of this for you, but this is for people using GameMaker 8 or GameMaker Studio.